Hi there. So yeah, another shower screen has fallen in a shower tray. So quite a few little chips on this one, but we're going to sort it out. I'll let you have a look. Okay, so this is the shower tray that's just been damaged with a shower screen falling down. Three chips there, moving around, another one there, one underneath there, and another tiny one there. So yeah, we're going to sort all these out. Okay, so that's these repairs done on this shower tray. You'll remember there was quite a number of little chips in here. Another one over there by the waist. Couple in here, one at the far corner. As you can see, it's kind of looks fine now. If you catch it in the light, you could probably just see a change of character in the surface there, but I mean the original surface is already a little scratched, so you know it kind of blends in. Anyway, another good job done. Okay, so yeah, quite a lot of chips there to sort out. Some of them are so small I just had to surgically handle them with the end of a needle, so there was more than I demonstrated, but they weren't that visible, not visible enough to show you. Anyway, that's that job done. Okay, so I am Ian Milton of Diamond Gleam, bath resurfacing and bathroom fixture repairs, and any hard surface repairs like granite or marble. Okay, call us if you need us.